Dane, don't hurt yourself demolishing anything. Watch out, guys. Zitron is over there. Robo, how nice to see you. Edna needs your help. It seems that he's gone. You can't do it that way. You need a drill, and for that, you have to merge. Edna, do you want to fuse with Robo? Wow! Robo Edna to the rescue! Yes, I think that might work. Easy, easy. Almost done. Well done, but you still have to free Dane. You are an expert with the drill. And now, let's find Zitron and stop him. Hey, look over there. Zitron has passed this way. Robo Edna, look who's there. Watch out, Robo Edna! Are you okay? Very good idea! As long as you have the drill, Zitron can't do anything. Oh no! He froze the drill! It's not working! You have to do something! Oh no! Your leg! This is bad. Really bad. What's that? Billy? What are you doing here? Dane? Have you come to help Robo Edna? Thank you, Dane! He's going to shoot you again! Bullseye! That's how you learn to not freeze people, Zitron! Yeah! Let's see some stunts! Whoa! Good one! Wow! So impressive! Are you building a sand castle? Oh no! It's a UFO! Babies, run! Guys, a UFO has taken the babies! It's time for Robo! There it is! Robo, be careful! Watch out! Phew, that was too close! Massimo, run! Massimo, your tires are gone! Massimo, watch out! Carrie, Walter, run! Robo, you need to stop the UFO. Robo, watch out! Go for it, Robo! Hold on, Robo! It's time! Who will you merge with? Nice! Carrie's candy gun and candy gluer. Tom, could you please lend Robo the dinosaur?
Okay.
Oh, you're setting a trap for the UFO. Concentrate, Robo. Great job, Robo. Are you helping babies build the sandcastle? Wow! Sandcastle is finally complete. Hey guys, playing with animals is so fun, right? Amber with the tiger, Frank with the chicken, and Dino and Dane. Careful guys, Zitron is coming. Whatever he's planning, it won't be good. Frank, watch out! What? Zitron's ray can change the animals' sizes? Run, guys! Run! Robo, it's so great you're here. See, there's a huge problem. Well, 3 huge problems. Robo, you have to save the city from those giant animals. There! Amber is in danger! Robo to the rescue! Whew! That was close. What now, Robo? You have to think fast, guys. Well thought, Amber. Careful, guys. The street is full of pills. Ouch! That must have hurt. Robo, don't get distracted. Zitron is planning something again. Let's stop him. Of course! The giant animals were just a distraction. He wants to steal the city power. You have to take his Zitronic from him to make the animals small again. Yes! You got it! You won't take it from him, you evil robot! Uh-oh! Where did he go? Careful, Robo! He teleported behind you! What is he going to do now? Oh no! He's huge now too! Don't worry, Robo. The Zitronic can make him small again. You just have to take it from him one more time. Oh no! Are you okay? He's going to steal the city power! How can you stop him? Guys, Zitron is now huge too, and Robo needs help! Amber, do you want to fuse with Robo? Time to fuse! Robo Amber to the rescue! Let's get Zitron! Hurry up! He's going to take the city power! You can't find Robo Amber, Zitron? He is confused! Now, use the bandage launcher! Yes! You have the Zitronic! You're not so brave now, huh? Phew! That's much better, isn't it? Aren't you tired yet, Zitron? Go get him, Tiger! Hello, guys! Did you catch anything? It's biting! Oh no, what a pity. What a perfect day to play on the beach. Right, babies? Come on, Zitron. It was an accident. Look, Barry is so sorry. Don't be angry. Oh no, help! Rodeo, Booster, babies need you. Quick, it's time to merge. You'll get him later, Robo. Let's save the babies. Come on! Babies must be somewhere around. It must be Sunny! Yeah! Let's find your friends now, Sunny. Larry, there you are!
No.
Look behind you, silly! Bravo! Bravo! Zitron is still out here causing trouble. Let's see what Zitron is up to. What do you have in mind now again? Walter, you need some help! Do something, Robo!
Hey, 那个。 对呀。
I don't really think you can fish sharks. You might need some extra help on this one.
那。
Time to merge! Whoa! You look so cool! Go get him, Robo. Nice technique, Robo. Good job, Robo! You were amazing! Is everything okay, Zitron? What a perfect day to play on the beach.
Be careful, boys. You are entering a work area. Wow! Look at this new candy dispenser. They look so yummy. Can the boys have one, Edna? Looks like Zitron has an evil plan in mind. What are you up to, Zitron? Oh no! Zitron stole the candy dispenser. Guys, you must catch him. Quick, fellas, you know what to do. Robo Fusion. Look, Robo, Jerry is here to help you. Come on, guys. Catch up with this bad boy. What was that? Where did he go? Look, he's here. He did it again. How? Up here, guys.
Hey.
Jerry, watch out! Robo, Jerry is about to crash. Jerry, are you okay? What a catch, Robo. That was close. Only you can catch him, Robo. Are you ready? Ouch, buddy. That must hurt. You might need extra help to stop Zitron. Who you gonna call? Are you sure you found who to call? Let's call him then. Jerry, we need your power. Wow, amazing. Let's try those. You're going so fast, Robo. Zitron has no chance. Zitron, you will not get away with it. Faster, Robo, faster.
Hey.
What a chase, Robo. Let's bring these candies back to Edna. What a race today, guys. Thanks to you, the candy dispenser is safe.